Mike Tyson's top 5 moves that he used to get on the inside to eventually knock his opponent out. Hello Earthlings, ultraviolet runner from the Bronx here, and today we're going to get to Mike Tyson's top 5 moves that he used to get on the inside to eventually knock his opponent out. As we're going through the process, we're going to perform each of those movements 10 times to make sure it's dialed into our brain and dialed into our body mechanics. You can go for the peekaboo style, but I would say if you have never boxed before or you're still at the beginning stages of it, go with the traditional stance. All right, the traditional stance is right foot right outside that left foot, or it could be left foot right outside that right foot, but I'm conventional, so it's gonna be right foot right outside that left foot. You're gonna make your body a small target, elbows nice and tight to the body, knees slightly bent. You're gonna stay light on those toes. You're gonna tuck that chin. This is the traditional style. The peekaboo style, your foot is gonna be a little bit closer together, and you're gonna be more square with your opponent. But the thing is, there's so many options for your opponent to take part in, to take you out, if you do not have explosive movement or head movement for that matter. That's why the peekaboo style relied on being explosive and exaggerating with the movements to get out of the way to set yourself up for that knockout blow. Now, let's get into the first one. Based off from what you saw there, you can see that Mike Tyson did a jab, slip to the left, jab, and then jab, slip left, jab, jab. So again, you can get into the traditional or you can get into the peekaboo stance. But what he did here is that he slipped, all right, after that jab. So jab, stepping, slip, jab, right back to stance. And then again, jab, slip, jab, jab, right back to stance. All right, let's practice it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now, if you need to catch your breath, catch your breath. Let's get into the second one.
Can't get off punches. It's a short, chopping right hand. There it is. Right on. You look at the body. He
Perfect.
turns his...
You can see that Mike Tyson threw a fake jab to throw his opponent off, so the opponent's eyes go towards that jab. And then he came in with a really short, devastating, powerful right, clipped that person on the chin, side of the head to take him out. So he did this here, bam, all right, tight. It shouldn't come from over here. Come straight from the body, and you're rotating your hips all the way into the punch. All right, let's go. Feint, aka fake, decoy jab. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. Now, let's get into the third move.
And what Tyson does here, he bobs and weaves, gets under that jab and counters with a beautiful left hook. Perfectly
All right,
timed.
for the third move, you can see that he slipped, slashed, duck at the same time. So he slipped to give that power into that front foot to spring load the front leg, so he can come forward with that gazelle hook. Okay, so it's gonna look like this here. I'm in my stance here, slipping, bam, left hook, right back to stance. All right, let's go. Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your head completely breaks the center line and you're putting all your weight on this front leg to make sure you maximize the power when you leap in with that hook. All right, so again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now let's get into the 4th one.
But right for withstanding this kind of barrage.
Oh, what a right by Tyson! Oh, the left! Now the right combination! Steele steps in. Is it over? It's over! It's over!
All right, what you can see what he did here was right hook head, left hook body, right hook head, left hook body, left hook head to finish off. All right, so let's get into it. Right hook, left hook body, right hook, left hook body, left hook head. All right, let's get into number 1. Right hook, left hook, right hook, left hook, left hook. 1. Again, right hook, left hook, right hook, left hook, left hook. 2. We're not trying to swing for the fences. I just want to make sure you got that technique dialed in. And remember, we're doing this 10 times. All right, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7. 1, 2, 3. I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 9. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, take a quick little breather, catch your breath, and let's get into the final one.
20 years old, Mike Tyson on his way to becoming one of the youngest heavyweight champions of all time. Bangs the body. Wow, with that uppercut is Tyson. Catches him with a right left hook, and he goes down.
All right, now let's get into that last combination that Mike Tyson used to knock Trevor Berbick out, having him stumbling all over across the ring, looking crazy like he had Bambi legs. The combination was a right hook to the body, right uppercut head, left hook head to finish off. All right, let's get into it. Right hook body, right uppercut head, left hook head, and down she goes. That's number 1. All right, now with a little bit more intensity. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Hopefully, you learned a lot of useful techniques and moves from one of the baddest men to ever do in the sport of boxing, Mike Tyson. Thank you for joining me here today on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And if you want to catch another video similar to this one, check out this video right here. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.